Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Country girl, country boss, nuclear, rebel without a cause, undocumented, Trini boss, 306 boss, 647 boss, blow, and 876 boss. Don't forget Garage Boss, the big bad Garage Boss. You know me a talk. Down in a Jamaica. Yeah. All of the people them all over Canada, Jamaica, England, Germany, Jamaica. Big up on yourself. Now, wanna see the title, the real story behind the search for public enemy #1 at the time, Doodles. And may I tell you that brother, yeah, why, wow, the search wasn't normal. The search wasn't normal. And, you know, couple things, boy, I don't know. But me I try go down in it, it was intense. And it was a bad day for the Jamaican public and Jamaica as a country. But it wasn't normal. Let's move on. So now, a part of the search take them up at the brother's house in front of you. Inside a Doodles. In a crazy week. Look at Doodles. That shit is ugly. But anyways, Skengdan. Them search that man in a yard for 2 hours looking for Mr. Doodle's scope. You understand? Because it was alleged that him and Skengdan link. So when you see the picture right there, so when you see that equation there, so them search Mr. Dan's house and nothing was found. Now we have to move on to some of the other searches them do. Them also went up to Park Lane Road, up by Red Hills, 100 Lane and Park Lane, and then pick up 10 man up there. You understand? Now, once again, a couple things jumped out at me. It really shows that Jamaica, whether we want to say we have democracy or not, Jamaica is a militarized rule. You understand? A military and police and politician on Jamaica. You understand? And that's what occurred to me. Let's move on. Now, the hunt also take them some of the PNP neighborhood. First them do, Skengdan, remember? So, the army again go down in the PNP stronghold where Pepsi and Zeeks them and Busy and even in a Tesha Miller them zone them they go. You understand? Even the Klansman them and Zeeks them did there. So That search, yeah, for the youth, yeah, at the time, it was a very intense, crazy, militarized search video. It shows a couple different things. It shows the power of the US government, and it also shows that Jamaica is a militarized country where the military and police run the system. Now the search take them in a Portmore, it take them a Plantation Heights, and it take them a Kirkland Heights. Now, as you see in front of you, two people them or whatever get arrested and at the big house up at Kirkland Heights. So definitely the search for this young man was so intense, it was crazy. But I want to speak to the situation there, because I don't think it registers on the Jamaican people them head or the government how serious this thing was. This search for this youth, where the government did it never done before, which I can point out because it's facts. Now, what they did to the people them of Jamaica, land we love, our land, it's crazy. I don't think this has ever happened in the Caribbean, probably only in Haiti. I'm back in the days when Spain and England then was colonial master, where them have so much people dead in a one era. And then the military, as you look at the screen on the right side, you can see the military launch an attack in a Tivoli, and there was an inquest. But it just, I don't think we understand the scope of the violence and destruction. So the military in Jamaica, them use our people as a practicing match, as a target practice, and they launch a bomb in Tivoli on Jamaican ground when they were looking for this young man. That is a crazy, crazy, crazy fucking thing. So it goes to show you that really and truly Jamaica is a military plutocracy. That means the people then, the rich, okay, plutocracy is rich by government. So if it's a military plutocracy, that means the government will make the military rich, and the police, the head of the police, the certain bigwigs. You understand? Because, like I said, I don't feel that the military should patrol with police, because what it does, it turns us into urban fighters, and that's what it's doing. So, in the history of the Caribbean, I don't know of another army that launched an attack like that on them country, or the people that are looking for one person. And it just goes to show how much and the scope as to how they were looking for this dude right here. over 70 people died in Tivoli. They went up to Kirkland Heights. One of his friends got shot. They went to 100 Man Lane and Park Lane, where radios and man get jammed by police. And they went to Skengdan House, cause him and Skengdan link or whatever, and them target the whole of the PMP down them. Yo, when you see the true color of the politician them and the military and the police in Jamaica in 2010, remember a countryman telling you that. Yo, a military run Jamaica, dog. Jamaica a military badness. You understand? And that's how it go. But yeah, them catch the youth and turn in himself eventually, and in their prison now. I think 10, 11 years later, and nothing has really came out of the 70-something people where get killed in a garden field, or defending him, or not defending him, or whatever. Them have some kind of retarded commission, and yo, I not even know where come out of that. People still have suffer from the bomb where the military drop on the people them in there, and that's it. And in the long run, them wonder why Jamaica so blood clot violent, and them have all of the answers. The politicians and the military and the police them and the people them, bad man them have all the answers why our country so blood clot. But yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button, and check out the WhatsApp group, the Patreon page, and many other things we have. Now, like me say, once this thing grow, I give us some money, I put up a flyer, and the people them can check out the flyer, or the giveaway, and me and Country Gal work on it. Countryman, I'm out.